our biggest aim was to create a Mediterranean garden with new solutions. Firstly of all, I was very inspired by Adarve Jardines architecture, using these curves, being very contemporary but new solutions. Also the communication, the steps, and so there are many details and finishes, like to choose the gravel, the stepping stone. Well, all that will create a really nice and different ambience, which I hope everyone will find very exciting. Also, I wanted to incorporate in the gardens an ecological solution, what translates into being practical. Everything which is saving water, saving labor work, saving chemical products to have the plants looking bright. We have putting a mulch all around all the plantations. The irrigation is going to be mostly by drip system to avoid any waste of water. Also, we're using solar lighting. The extension is very big. That means there's lots of space between the different buildings. And now you have to sum, there is a big difference of level in the topography. So there are big walls of 3 to 10 to 12 meters high. In this specific case, the garden of the show flat. Here you can see different elements, like I like the sculptures. In this case, we're going with the curves and the round shapes. So I have chosen these round, big concrete balls. The stepping stones are also in an organic shape. Also, you can find grasses, which we'll definitely use for the rest of the urbanization. Very harmonic. They're all greens and grays, olive trees and pine trees. So there's going to be very little combination. So in this show flat, we've used those pots to communicate the outside with the inside using the same palette. Well, I hope people enjoy it and